folks, welcome to Growing Guitar. Beautiful, beautiful song from Dean Lewis. It's called I Hate That It's True. All right, so sometimes the truth is hard, and that's what he sings about. Dean, let's take a look at this beautiful song together with the capo set on the first fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So with that, we have 4 chords or rolls in the same way through the entire song when it comes to chord progression, but we have different styles to handle it. First, let's learn them together. We have the A minor 7. All right, so that goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the F sus2, and we're gonna use the shorter version of it. So that goes third on D, open G, first B, and first E. In the last B and E string there, I just place a short little bar with my index finger to have them both there with one finger. All right, that's the F sus2. Next is the C. And that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. And then we have the G6/B chord. Okay, it's almost like the G6, but you take away that E string, so you have just the second fret A string, and all the other strings below there will be open. So open D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, that's the basic chords for it. And when it comes to the chorus play later on, for all of these chords, we're gonna add on the third fret E string. The high E string is what we're gonna add on to the strumming later on when we go through the chorus play with strumming. We'll come to that. First, let's learn the melody. Okay, so we're gonna take that chord by chord, starting with the A minor 7. So you're gonna play like this for 2 rounds. So you have to hold just the first fret B string. That is necessary, and then you're gonna play open A, first B, open G, open A, and open G. So that is 1 round, and 2 rounds goes like this. And then you follow pretty much the same pattern here almost throughout the song, just different bass notes. So now next you have the F sus2. You're gonna add on the third fret D string. Okay, so you're gonna play this part for 2 rounds. So it's third D, first B, open G, third D, and open G for 2 rounds. And then comes the C part. You just go up with that third D and release that and go to the third A instead. All right, and then you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So that is third A, first B, open G, third A, and open G for 2 rounds. And then you go to this G6/B chord, and you can just hold the second fret A string, and you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So that will be second A, open B, open G, second A, and open G. That's the end of the melody. I'm going to take you through this 1 round. I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit so you can listen for it, and let's go. Alright, so there you have the melody throughout the song. Now let's go into the strumming and learn the pattern here for it. So if you grab the first chord, the A minor 7, 1 string around will be down, down, up, like this. So the first down I like to play on the bass strings to really mark out what chord I'm playing. And the next down I go down on the high strings, kind of answering that first down. So that's the first 2 downs. And then I play the up, down, in the higher mid area. So that is 1 round. Down, down, up, down, up. And so on. All right, so I'm gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. Now, of course, you have to hold the full chords as they are, as we learned them. So A minor 2, the F sus 2, the C2, and the G6/B2, like this. And that is the verse play. All right, so you can go either melody or verse strumming. And then when you come to the chorus play, you're gonna play exactly the same. I really recommend you to play the strumming here, because it goes up in tension, so the picking there will be not necessary. Strumming is better suited for this, but then you have to add this G note to all of these chords. So A minor, hold it as it is, and add this 3rd fret E string, the G note, to that chord. The same goes with the F sus 2. Then, of course, you don't have to play the bar like this, because this 1st fret E string is hidden behind this 3rd fret E, so it's enough if you just hold it the 1st B and then the 3rd E like this. You can relax a little bit with your index finger. Okay, and the same goes with C. And then also the G, B chord. You keep that 3rd fret E string. And with strumming, it sounds like this. And there you have it, guys. A nice song. Play 2 rounds for it because it's beautiful and very addicted to play. So if you love this song and guitars and even Gordon guitar, this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Dean Lewis will be back for sure. So thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play